Hello. What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
We are on the way to Key West. We are staying at a tiny little RV resort, and hopefully we're gonna catch some lobsters. We have Root driving today, fishing dentist, Anna, and Tracy. Tracy. Yes, and we are wearing yellow because currently today we are construction workers. That's the theme for today.
Welcome to our lawn service. How can I help you?
So we'll see if anything fun happens once we get.
I love it.
It's your girls. We are back.
Go high below. Who? Recording. Who birthday? Lên tiếng.
My birthday.
My birthday.
Một người bỏ đằng
My
năm
birthday
trăm,
nè.
bỏ đằng năm trăm.
Sức khỏe, sức khỏe.
Fair enough.
Sức khỏe.
Eileen, say hi. Hello. Hi, camera.
How beautiful, the sky's turning purple.
Who's beautiful? Us?
Yes. Maybe even more beautiful than the sky. Got Nee and Anna fishing over there. I'm tidying up. Woo! Just enjoying this weather. Enjoying being out here.
Lobster.
A lot? Wow, you're having fun, right? Wow. I want a broom and broom this place up. Sweep this place up. Hi.
Hey, sunset's actually at what? 8?
You having fun?
Yes.
Anna, what you got there, girlfriend? Nothing? Ooh, she got a little cutie.
Can you take it off?
No.
What to eat?
Just yank it. 1, 2, 3, go!
You're really close over here.
Mommy. Keep on going, Mommy. Hey, if you hook up my mom,
Hey, she's going in the fishing zone. And I'm not experienced.
Let's take a picture. Cheese. Maybe this way for better lighting. Maybe this way for better lighting. Oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. Team, what are you cooking?
So bad.
Cooking dinner. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, this looks like fancy, like restaurant style.
Yeah.
Look, we got steaks on there too. Oh my goodness.
And snapper.
Snapper? You caught that, Ju?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh wow. Oh, chàng ngon.
Này là grouper.
Oh my goodness.
Grouper.
And grouper? Ai cho?
Neighbor.
Ông mày lấy hả? Hay là đông đá? Ờ. Eileen, Lincoln. So peaceful and calm out there.
Just làm luôn.
That's what it did with the oil earlier. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I can't stop taking pictures of it. Oh.
You want to see the eye?
We finally have something to do.
Mm.
Anna, come pet the shark. Where?
Wait, we're eating again already? Oh, cả đây bắt lắc kia.
I'm sorry? Bọ mũi chứ?
Đây, đây, this is
Wow!
Oh.
Right into the ocean.
Wow! From the ocean to the pot.
Cả đứt đâu.
Daddy caught another one. And another one. Why is your face so red? You drank a beer?
Probably.
You drank a beer, you sunburned like your thumb. I think both of you guys have the same kind of blood and liver.
Don't tell me.
Yeah, he can't drink beer either. They are literally catching it. Look at all this fish on there. Look at that shark. Oh, sorry. You could just cut it out. Look at this shark. Ooh, look at all those fish down. Beautiful shark. Chitang is cleaning.
Yeah.
How beautiful is this? Daddy, you having fun?
Yes.
Mommy, are you having fun? Yes. But yeah, like I was saying, we got here around 12. It was super sunny, super hot. Most of us were just chilling inside the trailer. And then we decided to come out and enjoy some nature. And we haven't regretted it. It's been beautiful. We're so lucky. We have 3 families out here, 3 siblings and their kids out here. Neat, was this your floss? Oh, whose floss was this? Dentec?
Oh, on the table?
No, in the water. But it's the same brand. Dun dun dun!
This was on the table where everyone else.
Oh, someone else was using it too?
Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, she did it for 5 seconds.
So cute, so cute. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Heart, yes. Chitang knows how to make a heart now. Team, come on, let's go. Heart, what do you more? Kai, ba.
So cute. This is
What'd you say? Cute, Kaz. How do I do it? In the head?
Yeah.
The eyeballs?
Let Aline do it.
Fine, I'll do it. I don't want to touch it. Okay, I hooked in the body only because I didn't want to touch the fish.
Thank you.
All right, Nhi, show the camera what you got. Perfect casting, ready? We came out here, we ate on the way here. We were hungry as soon as we got here, so we ate again. And then we just kept on eating and then swimming and then eating and swimming. It's been so nice out. We had Team Thui's sister made it for us. She woke up at 4 a.m. this morning to make us food. My dad's friend lent us his kayak, so we've been kayaking. It's been gorgeous. It's been super flat. We've been able to basically stand and paddleboard on them. It's so awesome.
Get ready. Xách cái bait ra đấy.
We're gonna go fishing now, so we'll see what we catch. How do I get it from? I don't want to grab his head. Eileen, it's flipping over.
That's such a cool creature.
Can I grab his tentacle?
So cool. I'll grab it. I just want to get on the video.
Do it. Get it from this angle, Eileen. Oh, quay nè.
Hey, buddy. Look what we caught.
Anh kêu đó.
Không ra.
It feels weird.
Đã.
Wait, okay.
Bộ xong. Cầm quay phim. Bộ xong.
You know how they kill
Oh,
it?
it's on the boat.
You know how the Hawaiians
Yeah, they
kill
go for
it?
it here.
Terribly. Come up.
No fish.
No?
No.
Well, we didn't go to the ground.
You didn't hit tripod.
It was so far.
Oh. Jessica, look, an octopus right there. They picked it up.
Yeah.
That's him hanging on the plastic.
Cùng mực đấy hả?
And that was our trip. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. The Fishing Dentist. And
Peace out. Anna, give me your pie. We secured the bag and we secured the pies. 2 key lime pies from Key Lime Products, Key Lime Pies. Lots of key lime. And she got her snacks too. Alright, now back on the road.
Everyone left us for the RV. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. We had such a great time down in the Keys. We swam a lot, we snorkeled a lot, we kayaked a lot, we ate a lot because of all those activities. My dad took his boat down there. It was so nice. It was my family, my dad's little brother's family, and my dad's older sister and her daughter who came along with us. Unfortunately, we had many family members who couldn't come along on this trip. We were just limited on space, and we were just scouting the area. We were unfamiliar with it, so we wanted to go get a feel for it before we bring down a bunch of people. But next time, guys, if you guys are watching, sorry, we missed you guys a lot. We really wish you guys could have all been down there with us. It wasn't that bad. We got some lobsters. Not bad. I think we could have done better, but we were mainly driving around looking for spots. But little did we know there were so many spots, like literally the lobsters are everywhere. We could have just stayed close by to our campsite and we would have been perfectly fine. But instead we were just driving back and forth and like in the water for a bit, getting some lobsters and then driving again. And so that took up most of our time. And then, you know, us kids, we had school, so we had to cut our